Welcome to Dorman Products Suspension Air Compressor Installation Video. Warning: do not disconnect airlines or fittings until the chassis is supported. Support the rear of the vehicle with a lift or jack. Remove spare tire from underneath the vehicle. Instructions for removal are in the owner's manual. Next, inspect the airlines and determine if they need to be replaced. The hose has a 4 mm outer diameter. Unscrew the two fittings on top of the compressor to remove the airlines and relieve pressure. Be sure to make a note of which hoses go to which side. Disconnect the auxiliary function hose, intake hose, and the two electrical connectors. Unscrew the two bolts that fasten the compressor to the chassis and remove compressor. Inspect both air springs for leaks or wear in the rubber. If present, replace. Next, install new direct fit compressor, fasten mounting screws, and once complete, reattach hoses, fittings, and connectors. Disconnect the ride height sensors from the control arms and be sure to push them up about 4 inches. They must both be at the same level. The rear tires of the truck must be completely in the air for this step. Start the truck and wait 30 seconds for the compressor to start. If it doesn't start, move both sensors up another inch. Allow the compressor to run until it times out at about 25 seconds due to sensor inaction. Make sure that both air springs are firm and do not appear folded or bent. Reattach the sensors to the control arms. Double check that the air springs have not buckled or folded, or else they will not inflate properly. Warning: if springs are not inflated properly, they could suddenly rupture. Finally, allow the compressor to run. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes to reach final ride height.